Astra, wake up.
Initiating. Astra, online.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are aquaponic systems?
Aquaponics systems are automated systems used to monitor and sustain nutritional and chemical balance levels within a confined marine ecosystem, using targeted chemical and microbial filtration. However, the marine livestock is generally sold separately.
What are combat stabilizers?
Combat stabilizers are biological agents used to sustain and heal injured humans in combat. Combat stabilizers allow recipients to continue to function despite unimaginable amounts of pain. Some cultures consider they encourage glorification of combat, and so are illegal in those jurisdictions.
What are computer components?
Computer components are industrially mass-produced computer hardware and electronic devices, regulators, storage, distribution boards, spares and assorted peripherals. These components usually require additional software to run correctly, which is available separately from the manufacturers.
What are HE suits?
Hazardous environment suits are garments which are suitable for human use in hostile environments, including vacuum, together with spare parts. Fitted with atmospheric scrubbing and life support, vital signs monitoring, automatic medical systems and a multi-channel communications interface.
What is the LHC?
Large Hadron Collider, LHC, at CERN in Geneva, Switzerland. This machine is smashing apart particles in order to discover their constituent parts and the quantum laws that govern their behavior.
Quantum theory universe.
Universe. To many researchers, the universe behaves like a gigantic quantum computer that is busy processing all the information it contains.
What is reality?
Reality, since the predictions of quantum theory have been right in every experiment ever done, many researchers think it is the best guide we have to the nature of reality. Unfortunately, that still leaves room for plenty of ideas about what reality really is.
What is gluon?
Gluon. These elementary particles hold together the quarks that lie at the heart of matter.
What is light?
Light. We used to believe light was a wave, then we discovered it had the properties of a particle that we call a photon. Now we know it, like all elementary quantum objects, is both a wave and a particle.
What is non-locality?
Non-locality. When two quantum particles are entangled, it can also be said they are non-local. Their physical proximity does not affect the way their quantum states are linked.
Tell me about the stars.
A star. It's a massive, luminous sphere of plasma, held together by its own gravity. They come in many different types and sizes. Their classification for you? Well, blue stars are the hottest, and they're called O-type. The coolest stars are red, and they're called M-type. In order of increasing temperature, the spectral classes are M, red, K, orange, G, yellow, F, yellow-white, A, white, B, blue-white, O, blue.
What are open clusters?
An open cluster. A collection of young stars that formed together. They may or may not be still bound by gravity. Some of the youngest open clusters are still embedded in the gas and dust from which they formed.
What are planetesimals?
Planetesimal. A solid object that is believed to exist in protoplanetary disks and in debris disks. Planetesimals are formed from small dust grains that collide and stick together and are the building blocks that eventually form planets in new planetary systems.
What is a constellation?
A constellation? A grouping of stars that make a familiar pattern or picture in the sky.
What is a cosmic ray?
Cosmic rays. Atomic nuclei, mostly protons, that are observed to strike the Earth's atmosphere with extremely high amounts of energy.
What is a galactic halo?
Galactic halo. The name given to the spherical region surrounding the center or the nucleus of a galaxy.
Quote Stephen Hawking.
Stephen Hawking. My discovery that black holes emit radiation raised serious problems of consistency with the rest of physics. I have now resolved these problems, but the answer turned out to be not what I expected.
What is tunneling?
Tunneling. This happens when quantum objects borrow energy in order to bypass an obstacle such as a gap in an electrical circuit. It is possible thanks to the uncertainty principle, and enables quantum particles to do things other particles can't.
What is zero-point energy?
Zero-point energy, even at absolute zero, the lowest temperature possible, nothing has zero energy. In these conditions, particles and fields are in their lowest energy state, with an energy proportional to Planck's constant.
Who are Alice and Bob?
Alice and Bob. In quantum experiments, these are the names traditionally given to the people transmitting and receiving information. In quantum cryptography, an eavesdropper called Eve tries to intercept the information.
Tell me something about quantum theory.
Probability. Quantum mechanics is a probabilistic theory. It does not give definite answers, but only the probability that an experiment will come up with a particular answer. This was the source of Einstein's objection that God does not play dice with the universe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Astra, go to sleep.
Astra, offline.